Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can register for online banking account or sign up for mobile banking of Union Bank from your mobile device. So for this I'm using the website today, and you can access to this website from any web browser. Simply type unionbank.com on any web browser, and afterwards when you land on the official website, tap on the sign on option which is at the upper part of the screen, and now you will see the option with enroll now. Tap on it and tap on the enroll now option. Now here choose the option. You need to choose the type of PIN you have, either your debit or ATM PIN, your telephone banking PIN. If you don't have a PIN, tap on the don't have a PIN option and follow the instructions, and that's how you can enroll for the online banking account of the Union Bank from your mobile device or by using the website itself. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.